We are at the airport. Let us go inside now.
Wow, this door goes around and around.
Look at that big board. Find our flight number. Look at that, the flight stopper.
Good morning. Can I see your passports, please? Of course, here you are.
Wow, are we going on the airplane now?
Almost, sweetie. Just a little more.
Here are our 3 passports. Thank you very much.
Thank you. I'll just verify these. Your bag is 23 kilos. That is fine.
Bye-bye, suitcase. I will see you later.
Here are your boarding passes. Gate B14. Have a good flight.
Okay, laptops out. Remove shoes. I will go first. Please walk through slowly. Arms up. Thank you.
Good job, everyone. We are through security now.
We need gate B14. This way. Follow me, please.
Emma, come on.
Mom, look at the chocolate. Can we buy some, please? We'll see.
After the flight, Emma, first we find our gate.
There, SW447, gate B14, on time. Let us go.
This floor is moving. It is like magic carpet.
B11, B12, B13.
B11, B12, B13, B14. I found it.
Come on.
Perfect. Gate B14. We have 45 minutes. Sit down.
Mom, I can see our plane. It is so big and white. Mom, she is a flight attendant. Her uniform is so beautiful.
Skywings 447 to London. Boarding now. Rows 25 to 35. We wait for our row. Our seats are 12A and 12B. Now boarding rows 10 through 20 at gate B14.
Rows 10 to 20. That is us. Hold your boarding pass, Emma.
Perfect. Enjoy your flight, young lady.
Go ahead.
We are walking into the plane. We are above the ground.
Yes, sweetie. Keep walking. We're almost there.
Wow, look at the ground and the workers.
Welcome aboard. Thank you.
Please find your seats. Enjoy the flight.
"12A, 12B, 12C. Here, row 12. These are our seats. Your pink bag goes under the seat in front, Emma.
I can see everything from here. The airport is so small.
Click, pull to tighten, push to open. Well done. Please Please locate the life vest under your seat.
And note the exits located here and here. Watch carefully, Emma. This is very important information.
To inflate, pull the tab sharply.
We are moving! The plane is moving, Dad! We are going!
Hold on. The takeoff is exciting. You will love it. Ready?
Ah! We are going up and up, up! This is amazing! The city is so small now. Look, Mom! Look at the tiny houses!
Good afternoon. Water, juice, or tea?
Water, please.
Tea, thank you. Juice, please!
Hot tea is perfect.
Are you happy, Emma?
This is normal turbulence. The plane is safe. Do not worry.
I choose this cartoon. Can I use headphones, please?
Of course, sweetie.
Sounds fun.
Chicken or pasta today? Here is your meal. Enjoy!
My ears feel funny, and I see fields. Is that London? Is that London?
Final checks, please. All seatbelts fastened and trays stowed.
Ladies and gentlemen, we land in 20 minutes. Welcome to London.
Thank you, Captain.
Emma, that is the River Thames. That is London below us.
We are in London. We did it. We are here.
Please stay in your seats. We are not at the gate yet.
Wow, look at the terminal. It's getting closer.
Please remain seated until the seatbelt sign turns off. Everyone has their bags?
Good. Follow Dad. Let us go.
Thank you for flying with us. Enjoy London.
This airport is different. It says welcome. I love this place.
It is different, kiddo. Let's find passport control. Follow the signs. Passport control is this way. Come on.
Passport control, baggage reclaim, and customs. I can read them all.
Stand in this line. Show your passport when they call you.
What is the reason for your visit? Holiday or work? Holiday, officer. We are on holiday. 1 week. Thank you very much.
I want to find our big blue suitcase. I will watch. I see it! There it is! The blue one! The yellow ribbon! I found it!
Wonderful! All bags. Now we go through customs.
Follow me. We use the green channel. We have nothing to declare. Come.
Walk normally. Look ahead. Nearly there. Almost outside.
Good job, everyone.
Almost there.
Look at all the people! They are waiting for someone they love! I see our name! Over there! See the sign with our name?
Welcome to London. I am Tom. I will take you to your hotel.
red bus, Mom! A real London red bus outside. I see it!
Put your bags here. The hotel is 40 minutes away. Comfortable?
Wow, look at all the green fields!
It's the English countryside, Tom.
Tom, why do cars drive on the left here? It looks so strange.
It's a British thing, Emma.
I can see Big Ben! It is real! It is really real!
Good afternoon. Welcome to Central London Hotel. Let me help.
Wow, it's so fancy.
This is so beautiful. Look at the flowers, Emma.
Hi, checking in. The Carter family.
Welcome, Carter family. Room 314. Here are your key cards.
Thank you so much.
Perfect. We're so ready.
Me too, Mommy. My face in the mirror looks very tired. I feel tired too.
Room 314. This is us. Open sesame. Let us go inside.
We are really in London. This is the best day of my life.